Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your location using NordVPN on a PC. Let's get started. First, open the NordVPN app on your laptop and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the NordVPN main screen with a world map. The easiest way to change your locations is using Quick Connect. Click on Quick Connect and NordVPN will automatically connect you to base server near you. If you want to choose a specific country, look at the list of countries on the left side. Scroll through the list and click on the country you want. You can also click directly on the map and select a country there. After clicking the country, NordVPN will connect you automatically. Once connected, you will see connected on the screen. Now your IP address and location are changed. If you want to change to other location, just disconnect, then choose a different country, and that's it. That's how you change location using NordVPN on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.